Sir, the Home Minister, Home Minister, English speaks. Yes, sir.
Mr. Parameshwar, Home Minister,
Hmm.
is telling now there is no administration in Karnataka. This last 1 year, there is no administration because of the chair fight, CM and Deputy CM. There is no governance. So every year they are taking the more than 1 lakh crore money loan. So there is no new development in Karnataka. There is a development-less government. All free, what guarantee they given. Up to now, the 5,000 crores of Grow Lakshmi, not Grow Lakshmi Bag, that not given. So salaries also, transport department, more than 2,500 crores pending is there. So I think Parameshwar told lately, but last 1 year there is no problem.
So PM 12 years completed.
Honorable Pradhan Mantri Narendra Modi ji, they are completing 12 years. It's good for the nation. So pro-development in India. So Modi means development. So people of India, in the COVID time also, Modi done very well regarding the people safety. So I think Modi has become the world leader, and India become the world nation.
So the conflict for CM chair in state.
Today's there.
I think this will not finish. This is the first meeting. I think nothing will happen in the meeting in Delhi. So I think Siddaramaiah will not leave the chair. So this fight will continue. I think central leaders will not take any decision now. So Siddaramaiah will continue. DK, no power.